Welcome back. Today we have a special guest in our studio from Century 21 Apex International, Gary Akali.
Pleasure to be here, JB. Thanks for having me.
And then we have Jay Garewal.
Glad to join you today, JV.
And I would like to ask Jay, what's your educational background?
Well, JB, I come from a business background where I
Mhm,
completed my
mhm.
bachelor's in business administration, specialized in economics.
Mhm,
I will be pursuing actually my urban land economics degree from the Souder School.
mhm,
Meanwhile, I'm busy in the market. As you can tell, it's a busy market.
mhm. And what about Gary?
Well, JB, I spent a few years at BCIT. I completed my financial management diploma, and I got a strong background in financial services. I'm actually working with Envision Financial as a commercial account manager. So I do commercial mortgages and loans. So I got a small, pretty specialized background in commercial properties.
And so, how come you guys decided to work in a team?
Well, JB, it's the combined effort of two
Mhm,
that really benefits our customers.
mhm,
Most of our clients love the way
mhm,
we, as standard business practice, keep them up to date on market conditions
mhm.
and the changing economy.
And especially, would you also like to share with our viewers that which area you gonna make yourself work for the clients?
Well, currently I do
Mhm,
investment properties for my clients.
mhm,
That's mostly site acquisitions,
mhm,
land developments or
mhm,
assemblies,
mhm,
and altogether holding properties.
mhm,
But of course, I do specialize also in residential
mhm,
for many of my clients as
mhm.
well.
And what about you, Gary?
Well, basically, with my background at Envision Credit Union, I'd say I'd specialize in commercial buildings like commercial apartments,
Mhm,
strata units,
mhm,
condos, even bare land for potential developments.
mhm,
So anything in the commercial sector I specialize in, but I also do pre-sales as well.
mhm. And especially Jay and Gary, and we have about in Fraser Valley board about 2,800 realtors. And why do the Surrey resident, Delta resident, and the Lower Main resident do business with you?
Well, first of all, I'm a full-time realtor.
Mhm,
Now,
mhm,
anything less and you're not getting your money's worth.
mhm,
Second of all, I have a
mhm,
thorough understanding of the area, first of all, the
mhm,
local economy,
mhm,
and the zoning and regulations, which is very important
mhm,
and integral in land development.
mhm,
For most of my clients, some of the complexities
mhm,
involved with the assemblies
mhm,
or investment properties, you need to have a thorough understanding, and that's what I do.
And what about you, Gary?
Well, JB, further to what Mr. Graywell had to say here, basically we like to think outside the box. We come
Mhm,
up with creative solutions
mhm,
that cater directly to our clients' needs.
mhm,
We don't let guidelines or any sort of, things like that get in our way. When we
mhm,
have a solution to find, we will for the client.
mhm. And especially, I would like to ask, both of you one question that, most of the time, most of the realtors, they sell homes if they work hard. But one thing they lack is after service. And and I am really curious, and my viewers are curious to know. So, what kind of after service you guys provide?
Well, JB, it goes more than contacting somebody on their birthday.
Mm,
We contact people on the anniversaries of their homes,
mm,
of them buying the homes.
mm,
And that kind of one-to-one and
mm,
a close relationship that we've built with our clients over the years,
mm,
it pays off definitely. And many of them appreciate that.
mm,
You can't just be a one-shot realtor and forget about your clients.
mm.
We're into lifelong relationships.
And what about you, Gary?
Yeah, further to what Jay said here, he's exactly right. We're here for our clients. So if they call us at, 12 o'clock at night for whatever reason it is and they want to see a home, we'll get up and show them the home.
Mm.
We're not going to say that it's night. We're going to be there for the clients all the time.
So basically, when you write on your business card 24 hours, it means you're there for 24 hours.
Oh, you better believe it.
Mhm.
At 3 in the morning, if I get a call and somebody's worried about a deal because they can't get
Mm.
completion the next day,
Mm.
I'll call my lawyers who also don't mind waking up at 3, 4 in the morning if they
Mhm.
have to.
Mhm.
I'm not saying that anybody out there call us at that time. Of course, we are available
Mhm.
24 hours a day, and we honestly stand by our commitment.
And especially you, what about a baby boomer?
Well, the baby boomers basically, we have a young crowd here. As we can see, it's a different era now. We're in a different, different industry. A lot of the baby boomers are starting to retire, and they want to worry about their retirement now, not their future. So basically, what they're going to do is they don't want to invest anymore. So their kids, the people that are the age of majority of the Century 21 workers, we have a lot of young people, lot of young staff, a lot of young guys and girls, And we can relate to those baby boomers children because we went to school together, we grew up in the same era, so we can cater to their needs.
And what about Jay?
Well, JB, further to what Gary was mentioning, there's been a big demographic shift over the last 10, 20 years, and many people realize that. You see more and more investment in resort-type properties being sold, especially on the island or in the interior. And incidentally, many of those baby boomers who are aging, their needs in real estate are also changing. So those developing needs and those trends we're very keen and aware of, and we respond accordingly. For example, there's resort properties that I can name right now that haven't even been developed or in the process of being developed yet. And we've been, maintaining that information and providing it to our clients according to their investment needs.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
The return, sorry, JB, the return that's involved from an investment point of view has certainly developed and changed. Nowadays, for example, pre-sales or townhome developments, the investment there is equal to what it was in many acquisitions in the past.
And also, one question I would like to ask you. What is the technological advantage you guys have over the old-time realtors?
Well, that's an excellent point that you make, JB. A lot of the old-time people here, they're not really too familiar with computers, handheld devices. There's just so much new technology out that our younger generation was exposed to first. We've had that privilege, mind you. Our parents, they wish they could know how to do that kind of stuff, but, we were blessed with being born in this age. We know about the computers. We know about, all the technological advances that we now have, and, that's a huge asset to us here at Century 21.
And especially, would you like to share your phone number and the email with our viewers?
Definitely, JB. My phone number is 778-386-2927. That's my cell phone. And my email is Gary_Akali@century21apex.ca.
And what about you, Jay?
My contact number, JB, 24 hours a day is 604-729-1000. And my email address is JG, that's the letter J, the letter G, at century21apex.ca.
Thank you very much for coming here.
Thank you, JB, for having us.
And thank you very much.
It was an absolute pleasure, JB. Thanks for having us.
And especially for the viewers, and so these young realtors have so much to offer. So feel free to give them a call if you are thinking of listing or if you are thinking of selling.
Century 21 Apex International, British Columbia's fastest growing real estate office. Join a group of dynamic real estate professionals. We help people find their dream home, specializing in land development, project management.
Century 21.